Good morning. Today in commerce we are going to see about a stock exchange, that is chapter 7 unit 3 continuing with the financial market 2. Okay va? So the meaning of stock exchange. Stock exchange an organized market, that means it provided a best place for the investors to buy and sell the securities. So that is a common meaning of securities. So here I am showing the old picture of the stock exchange. So this is the oldest stock exchange that is located in the world in Amsterdam. Then slowly the stock exchange in India was set up by the Stockbrokers Association, recognized by the Government of India in 1957, that is take over by the Security Contract Regulate Act. Okay, so this is the introduction. Now meaning. Stock exchange means it is otherwise called as share market or otherwise called as security market, and it is considered as an important constituent of capital market, and it is an organized market for the purchase of sale of industrial and financial security, and it is a convenient place where trading in securities conducted in a systematic manner. Are you all understood, students? So this is the meaning of stock exchange. Now slowly we are going to the definition of stock exchange. So there are two definitions are important. First definition has been given by Hastings. It is a place where the buyers and sellers of stock, bond and other representative undertake the transactions involving in the sale of securities. This is the first definition. Second definition is according to Security Contract Regulate Act of 1956. It is an association, an organization where an individual or a corporate established for the purpose of assisting, controlling, conducting the business in buying, selling and dealing in securities. So this is the second definition. Now next slowly we are going to what are the functions of stock exchange. There are various functions of stock exchange. First one is it is a ready market. Why it is called as ready market? Because on the spot any individual or in any corporate sector, if they wanted to purchase any shares, that means the securities, so that's what it is called as ready market. Then second one is correct evaluation of securities. Evaluation in the sense the ratings. So what are the ratings recorded made by the public are called as market quotation. Then third one is protection to the investors, because investors are very important. So the stock exchange people involved with the help of the SEBI are providing to safeguard the investors. So unnecessary the company shares should not be raised suddenly. So that has been done to be followed by the rules and regulations. For example, brokers cannot charge the higher rate of commission for the services. So malpractice will be severely punished. The next fourth one is a proper channelization of capital. So almost all the peoples are interested to invest in the shares of such companies which yield good profit. So it is an savings only. The next one is it gives an aid to the capital formation where the people to save and invest money. The next one is the facilities for speculation. So as speculation is an integral part of stock exchange operations. The next one is the seasoning of securities. Speculators and underwriters hold for a temporary period. So securities issued by a new companies. Then clearing houses. The listed companies are dealing with relating to the capital management, distribution, dividend, and forwarding the copies of the financial statement and annual reports to the stock exchange. So they publish every year in order to deal with the financial position of the companies. So for example, listing of companies. Listing of companies means it gives a status to the company, those who are all got permission to deal our securities in the share market, that means in the stock exchange. So that is called as listing. So listing means it gives an indirect status to the company, those who are all got their shares are applicable in the stock exchange. Now slowly we are going to the features of the stock exchange, students. Features means the characteristics, the various qualities. So one by one I am going to read the side headings. Number 1, it is a place for market for securities. Number 2, it deals in second hand market, because market are classified into two, primary and secondary market. Secondary market mainly deals with the second hand securities and regulates the trade. Then dealing only listed securities. Then transactions effected only through members. Then association of persons. Then recognition from central government, that means each and everything should be checked by the central government. Then working as per rules, so they have to follow the SEBI guidelines by almost all the stock exchange. So there should not be no deviations or boycotting the rules and regulations made by the SEBI. Then specific location, stock exchange is a particular market where the brokers come together on the floor of market called trading circles and conduct trading activities. Then financial barometers. As the stock exchange are the financial barometers helping for the development of the economy of the country. So the stability is reflected in the index of stock exchange. So these are the features of stock exchange. See again one more time, I am just revising what are the things we are discussed today. The origin of stock exchange, that means Amsterdam is the oldest stock exchange in the world. Then after then slowly in the year 1956, the first stock exchange has been operated in India and it is established by the Security Exchange Board of India. Then the meaning of the stock exchange, the definition given by the Hastings and the Security Exchange Board of India. Then the functions of the stock exchange and the features of stock exchange. Okay, so just to go through these, students. Then in the next class, the benefits and the limitations, then who are the speculators and the differences we will be discussing. Okay, thank you, students.